Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and if you are always on the hunt for excellent cleaning products, I want to show you these microfiber towels from Fantastic Clean. So these microfiber towels come on a roll, which is really cool. It's like a paper towel roll. They are perforated, so you can very easily just tear one away. And what you get is a 12 by 12 inch microfiber cloth that is ready to go. And these are great because you can reuse these up to 50 times. You can wash them and just keep using them for a long time. So this is pretty awesome. So I have found these to be really effective with cleaning. I find that they don't leave lint or streaks or anything when I am cleaning glass. And they do a great job of scrubbing down countertops. You can really kind of press into them and they hold up really well. And then when you're done, you can just wash them and let them air dry, and then they're ready for the next time. So this is a great way to save on paper towel waste. It's great that it's reusable. So I've just been really happy with this microfiber roll. And this is a great addition for your cleaning supplies. And that is my point of view.